Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a neutral signal. Bitcoin has lost 0.3% in the last session. The ADX is warming up and is currently neutral. The price of gold has stood still in the last session. The ATR remains in the high volatility zone. The price of crude oil has remained muted in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is giving a neutral signal.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil posted its worst week in 3 amid concerns that rising global coronavirus cases are slowing the economic recovery. The UK and the EU are making progress in talks on how to apply post-Brexit trade rules in Northern Ireland, raising hopes of an agreement that could help reduce tensions. China has led the world in electronic payments, and its central bank is pushing forward with its digital currency plan, leaving other nations like the US in the dust.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The U.S. monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT, the U.S. 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 2301 GMT, Finland's current account at 500 GMT, Japan's money supply M2 plus CD at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.